Truly belong here among the clouds on Bespin, the first stop on your Star Tours getaway package. Stay and play in the clouds and enjoy the spectacular Fancy in the Sky fireworks pageant every single night. The fun continues on the forest moon of Endor, where you'll sleep under the stars with the lovable Ewoks in their charming tribal villages. Your third stop brings you to the peaceful world of Alderaan, where you can relax in a natural wonderland, simply voted safest planet in the galaxy by hyperspace travel. This incredible getaway package is 3 times the fun in the park. So ask your Star Tours travel consultant to book yours today.
I didn't want to walk.
I didn't want to go later in the day and really want to go.
R2-D2, just what do you think you're doing? Get back to work before they deactivate you. Yes, right. Hurry up, they'll begin this transport any minute. Yes, I think sorry.
Yeah, right.
That's what I just keep my eyes closed.
All passengers, please prepare for immediate boarding.
You went on cider.
I don't think it matters.
Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure. Initiate takeoff sequence.
What? No takeoff sequence initiated. R2-D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
All transport hold for security clearance.
Stormtroopers would be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy.
This is the speeder we're looking for. Blast them!
It's our pilot. Where are we going? This is madness! Arthur, don't you dare neutralize me! Arthur, I don't like the look of this. And you just got worse!
Star Tours, what are you doing here?
I have no idea!
Then stay close.
Why?
If you want to stay alive, you're going to need some cover.
This is no time for your parents. Thank the maker. Shoot! And you back this instant. Arthur, I'm getting us out of this place. The transmission.
This is Poe Dameron with the Resistance.
Commander Dameron.
3PO? R2, what are you doing there?
Well, sir, it won't be
Rhetorical question. Listen up. There is someone aboard your ship vital to our mission.
the spy. Is this mission sanctioned?
Let's say it is. Anyway, rendezvous at the coordinates I'm transmitting to R2. Good luck, and you know the rest.
The rest sounds rather perilous to me. I don't R2, are you sure these are the right coordinates? I wasn't programmed for this. Watch out! It's like a dog.
Where's your name, Star Wars?
There we go again.
Okay, keep it tight.
I can't see anything. Now do something.
You should have come.
I heartily concur.
Execute.
But in this instant, out of where are you going?
All right, we'll take it from here.
Well done. Now let's go.
ST-1401, welcome back.
We will be landing shortly. I do hope you have enjoyed your flight. Watch out!
Hey, that's my ship. We've got a lot of explaining to do.
Anything but the start. And thank you for joining us. Look forward to seeing you.